Hello everyone. So today I will talk about EC2 services. So how we can launch the EC2 servers in the private subnet and public subnet. How we can connect the server from the public to private servers. So this is what I am going to cover it today's class, guys. Please subscribe my channel, like and share and comment it, and please enable the notification, guys. Thank you. Let's start the uh, uh, answer. Okay, so let me create a VPC. Okay, so click 2 should be there, private 2, and add gateway 1, and this is for none. Let me create a VPC. Let me go to the EC2. Okay, so what this VPC it is doing, it will create a one VPC, it will create a two public subnet, two private subnet, and one internet gateway, and one route table. Okay, and one is NAT gateway. Okay, so public also it is going to create a two route tables because we have specified two public route tables. Let's wait for to create it. So let's wait for to complete this step. In the meantime, let me go to the EC2 instance. So this is the instance dashboard, guys. Okay, okay, okay. Let's view the VPC. Let me verify that how many subnets created. Two for private, two for public. Let me go to the route table. So here it is created two private and two one public, but it is attached with the two subnets. It should be created internet gateway, and it should be created a NAT gateway. Okay, so okay, it's fine. And NAT gateway it is attached with the public subnet because this should be go to the through the subnet. Okay, so let me create a two EC2 machines, one for public, one for private. Okay, public server. I'll be selecting Windows. Okay, I'll be selecting 2016. That is fine for me. I'll just make it 12. 2016. Ah, sorry, 2016. I can take it. And I'll be for testing purpose. I'm going to select for virtual CPU. 2 and 8 GB sufficient. Okay, to log in. Okay, I'm going to create a key pair. Okay, create a key pair, and I'm going to select 1A for the public, and this should be enable the public IP, and I'm going to select the security group by default. It should be allowed all the traffic, and that is sufficient. Okay, let's create a one instance. Let me create a one more. This is for public. So I'll be selecting a test key pair. From here, I'm going to select the private. Okay, where is it? Public, private. Okay, this is, I'll not going to enable it because this should be private subnet only. I'm going to select the existing private group. Okay, let's create it. So in this session, I'm going to cover it a security group also. So where we can use a security group, how we can allow it. Okay. So let's wait for the to up. It will be shows status to bar status check for past. Okay. Let me initialize. Still, it is initializing. Let's wait for that. Okay. So the status check is first. Okay. So let's connect to the public server now. Okay. Let me go to select the public. I'll go to connect and I'm going to select RDP client. I'll be downloading this remote desktop file. I'll reset the password first. Okay. I'm going to upload the test key. Okay. I'll decrypt the password. Let me copy and let me log into the server. Okay. So now you are able to see that still it is initializing. Okay. So why this it is showing initializing? Okay. Let me go to the server. Okay, this is what we are getting. Okay, why it is coming? This is not able to reach to the network. Okay, let me go to the security group. I'm going to enable for RDP. Okay, so I can just mention it anywhere or my IP. Okay, so I'm going to mention it anywhere. Let me delete alt TCP anywhere. Okay, now let's try to log in. Okay, let me go to action. Let's see the screenshot. Let me log in, guys. So I just change the security group, guys. Download it. Just connect it. So if you're able to see it is showing asking for the password, just put the password, then just make it yes. So once we log into the server, we need to copy the PEM key. Okay. So there is a different ways to log into the server. Okay. If you are using a Linux machine, you require PEM. Okay. For example, GitHub, uh, git bash. If you're using, the key should be inside the server. Okay. So now I'm able to log into the public. So let me log into the private also. Same thing. Okay. Let me go back to the console. So I'm back to the private instance. If you're able to private instance, okay, just reset the password. Then I've copied the private IP of this instance. Okay, and for this instance is public, you're able to see it. Okay, this one, this is for private. Okay, for private servers, I'm not going to use any public IP because we don't require this servers in the private range. Okay, let me administrator. I'll paste the. Okay, you were able to see it right here. So this is how you can able to log into the server, guys. Okay. So for public, how we can log in. For private, how we can log in. Okay. If you are using a Linux, you should be having a PEM key inside the public server. Okay. So that is why I used this one. So right now I have not used any Linux server. I use only for the Windows. Okay. If you want Linux server should be connect from the public server, just comment it so that I can do the recording for the Linux servers also. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.